Everyone's doing good, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay, guys. So far, so good, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragonwood 30. Okay. So as usual, let's try to analyze the Bitcoin market. All right, guys. Bitcoin and gold. All right, guys. So recently, we can see aggressively the Bitcoin have been pumping on upper side. Okay, so this morning there was a little bit a drop fall, and I have given my VIP people a little bit shots from here, so that was 0.9 percentage already done. Okay, so overall I'm holding on a short position. Nothing financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. So we'll be trying to check the market again, what's happening around, guys. Okay, so if we happen to check on 15 minutes time frame, all right, now the Bitcoin have, let's go back and check on a bigger time frame, guys, maybe 4 hours. All right, guys. So Bitcoin have cleared off the recent resistance it had, right, guys. Okay, recent resistance is cleared off, right, guys. So it need to do the retest as well, right? So maybe we can expect the price to fall down. Okay, we never knows how far it will go up, right? So most probably, if we try to check on the resistance zone, it have exactly reached to the resistance zone, the retest resistance zone for now. All right, guys. Okay, so this is on 4 hours, guys. All right. Okay, so retest. So I'm expecting price to fall down a bit. All right. We never knows. Maybe the Bitcoin maybe like to go directly from here. Okay. So when we check on the previous history, whenever the Bitcoin happens to pump very high before it went to the bull run, it always try to do something like this. All right. I was talking with one of my friend, Manti, yesterday as well. All right. So Bitcoin was in this case right now. So it had broken down below and it is just trying to retest this level. Okay, so we never knows the Bitcoin may continuously rise like this and might be a big bull run on upper side. Okay, that can be also expected. Nothing financial advice. All right, guys. So this is what have happened in the previous history, right? If we check on the history, it have broken down and try to break out. Okay, hi, Nailamit. Hello, welcome, brother. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. So this is what we have seen. So we are in this phase right now. All right. So let's see what the market does. Okay. So if it does like previously, something like this, okay. So that might be a big bull run for the Bitcoin. We never knows, right, guys? Over here, we have been in this trend right now. Okay. So that can be also expected. Okay. So if we check on this levels, okay, so continuously Bitcoin have been broken down and it kept rising all the way on upper side. Okay, so this is the level whereby Bitcoin is continuously rising. So if the history repeats, so that can be a totally a breakout on upper side and keep moving on upper side because it have already cleared. Hi. Okay, just a second. Okay, and then Supermax, hello. Need to be hello, welcome guys, welcome. All right, so this is what we have seen right now. Okay, so if you check on the previous history, okay, Bitcoin have done similar reaction. It never came back. That can be also possible, but right now I'm looking for the shots in this level, but never knows. Okay, so what will happen? It have continuously came out on upper side and give a breakout on upper side. So maybe small retest can be happening, or it can fly without retest as well. So we never knows, guys. All right. So what the Bitcoin is planning, we can see up and down in this level, very long relay of retest is happening in this level. All right, guys. So for the normal retest, it is just, if it is not confusing you, so it would be direct something like this on a downside or upper side. But we are facing a very long relay of the retest in this level, like previously what the Bitcoin have done in the previous history, right, guys? Very long relay of retest on this level. Okay, and finally it went all the upper side. Okay, maybe the history can be repeated as well, but we never knows. Okay, so if it continuously moves up, that might be a very high levels on the upper side. Okay, just a second, we will be checking on a gold as well. All right, so over here, if you try to check on 4 hours time frame as well, so we are still in the retest phase. Okay, so maybe that Bitcoin wants to pump a little bit on upper side. Okay, when the market new X sessions opens, right, and drop all the way down as well. Okay, maybe a continuous pump as well. Okay, so there is a very fishy things happening in these levels. Okay, it broke out on upper side, did a one retest, and again it cleared the retest, which means the bulls have already gone in, right, from this level. All the bulls are controlling these levels right now. Okay, if you check on 4 hours time frame, it broke above the resistance. Okay, and did the retest as well. All right, it did the retest. Okay, and it is clearing. Actually, it should be something like this, again coming back and clearing. That one will be a beautiful one. All right, so let's see guys what will happen. Okay, so let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so on 15 minutes time frame, guys, let me clear off all those things. All right, so I'm aggressively looking for the shots right now. Okay, to come back for the retest. Okay, so rather than going continuously upper side, okay, we never knows, maybe a small liquidation is left on upper side. Okay, but I have been looking continuously for the shorter size side right now. Okay, all right, so this is the level the Bitcoin is holded on the retest phase on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, last week 76k. All right, 76. So that can be one expected. Okay, but if the market never, if the retest fails, all right, if the market is not able to push on upper side, all right, we have been reaching to the critical level right now on the Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the level whereby the Bitcoin will be decided whether it can move further upper side or just to come back on the lower side. Okay, so this is the level 115 minutes level. All right, so it will play in this level right now. Okay, if it passed below this one, maybe I can expect one big drop down towards the $79,000, maybe more than that one. All right, on the downside. Okay, so that can be expected. All right, so let's see. Okay, if it breaks out or not. Today, I think it will be able to give you all the results on the downside, or the tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, right? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Okay, let's see, guys. Anyways, okay. So I have already opened one long short position from the top. All right, and this is the, so yesterday also similar thing happened. All right, so it just created one bullseye. What it created one bullish flag over here and just pumped up all the way on upper side, right? Something like this, and it pumped up all the way on upper side. Okay, so it is again trying to create one bullish flag over here. So will it be expecting that or not? I don't know. All right, maybe a big drop from there. Okay, so if it expects, it might like to pump up, but most probably I'm expecting price to come down till this level, 792, more than that one as well. All right, so bullish flag it is creating and creating higher highs, higher highs. All right, but the thing is right now we have broken down from the trend right now in this level. Okay, so only difference is that one. Okay, guys, let's see what will happen. All right, let me clear this off. Okay, so I was looking at these levels this morning. All right. Mhm. Just a second. Okay, so most probably if it goes up, that will be the maximum level. Maybe it will try to touch this resistance zone and drop all the way towards downside. Okay, let's see guys, it have already broken down from the recent support it had on the this level. All right, it have already broken down below this one. All right, so it have already broken down. So if I have to short it in this level, all right, if I have to short, because it is clearing, right, if it happens to clear below, okay, on the 5 minutes, so if I have to short it below this level, I can expect the shots to come in. All right, so maybe it will go for the liquidations on upper side. Okay, my TPs will be in downside. All right, if it happens to hold below this one. Okay, this can be expected till this level, maybe first TP towards this zone, $79,847. One can be this level. Okay, my stop loss should be above this highs. All right, so if that can be this levels, so if I have to wait, that's going to be a little bit more risky trade. All right, okay, but I think the Bitcoin is, because it have broken down from the trend. Okay, it is planning for the breakout from, it have already broken out from the recent support it had. Okay, so maybe that one, or it will be more good if we get the chance from short from the upper side. Okay, but maybe small fund can be added from this level. Nothing financial advice. Okay guys, small fund can be added in this level, and maybe when it, maybe 1% over here, and the rest of the fund when it gets rejection from the top, right? So over here, maybe take the liquidations and try to break out on the downside. That can be a good shot for us, maybe, right? That can be expected, guys. Okay, so let's try to check out the recent breakout whereby the Bitcoin have done, right? This was the recent list Bitcoin, so Bitcoin need to test that one, I guess, for now. Okay, it have already broken down and it have done one retest. Okay, it came all the way down. All right, Bitcoin might like to go retest this level, so from the top. All right, so if it happens to test this one, okay, get the liquidation, grab the liquidation from the top, that will be a beautiful shot for me. Again, right now my stop losses is above this one, $80,900 maybe, right? But I will get a second chance if it happens to move on upper side. Okay, so that will be more advantage for me. My stop loss will get smaller, right? So that can be one expected. Let's see anyways from where we will get a breakout on the downside. So we just need, just need to retrace this one, the breakouts over here. Okay, if it gets a breakout, then immediately I can plan for the shots and come down all the way towards downside. Okay, aggressively looking for the long side. Okay, but if it happens to go up and never breaks down, then it can break down. But again, if on the retest phase, if it is able to pass above the highest the resistance it have formed in this level, then the Bitcoin can go all the way on the upper side as well. Okay, so this is the direction whereby you should be having a stop losses if it happens to break down on the downside. Okay, from this level again, the bulls will rule it, and again aggressive bull can be expected. Bears fail to engulf the bulls. All right, yeah, let's see, guys. Okay, right now the setup is for the shots. Okay, but the liquidations is left and the bigger retest is left, whereby it have failed to give one retest over here. Only if it was giving one retest, getting rejection from here, it will be a boom towards the downside. That will be a boom to downside, but it never did retest this level. I was waiting for that one, but it never did. So maybe now it have done once. Okay, now it might like to clear a little bit upper side. Okay, and grab the liquidation from the top. That can be expected. Okay, and it has a good chance of directly pumping up also if it happens to clear off all the resistance, and if the structure is formed for the bullish in this level. All right, so let's see how the structure will be formed in this level. All right guys, so we can never predict, all right, in this levels. All right, all the patterns are failing in this level. All right, so over here also, like yesterday we have seen that the without expecting, that was a good expectation towards the downside. If you are following the pattern, Bitcoin was following the pattern, that was directly up from this level, which was very unusual. Things are happening on the Bitcoin. All right, again, okay, dump pump. All right, so lots of things are happening. All right, so anyways, let's see, guys. Okay, that can be one shot. All right, so we are aggressively looking for the shots. All right, so let's see if it clears off the immediate low or not. All right, in this level right now, it have got one rejection from the top. All right, let's wait for the, it have given a small close below the downside on this level. All right, from the recent low, right, it have given a small low. So if it happens to go up and get rejection and come down, that is going to give you all a good shot. All right, so most probably I am expecting price to move all the way to $81,348 maybe, right? That can be expected. All right, for now. So my entry was 81,055 something else. Okay, so I booked two TPs over here from this low. All right, already too low. So this level, one TP and two TPs were booked, and my SL is in this level. So if I get an opportunity, I will try to enter from the top. All right, if it gets remove my SL at the entry. All right, let's see anyways, guys, what we'll do the Bitcoin. All right, let's go back to the Ethereum, guys. People are interested for the Ethereum. No, gold, right? Gold. People are interested for the gold. All right. So yesterday I told you all the gold will come down. Okay, this was the analysis that I have given you all on the gold live gold, right? It have dumped all the way towards the downside. All right, after the retest, broke down, retest, dump. Gold is reacting better than the BT right now. Okay, gold, everything is fine. Okay, gold seems to be fine, but BT is doing a shitty things. All right, lots of shitty things happening in the BT, right? Let me check. All right, check. Gold needs to break out from this trend. All right, on the upper side. So breaking above these two levels on upper side after the retest, that is, you are going to get a very long position on the Bitcoin, the gold. All right, okay, that the target will be this one. This will be the target. Okay, if it retest, break out, and pass the retest, all right, that can be one long position for the gold. All right, guys. Okay, after breaking out. So you might like to open one long position from this level and trace this one for the gold, right, guys? Gold is doing better than BT. BT is doing all the shitty things right now, guys. Lots of shitty things happening for the BTs, guys. All right, okay, doing better. Your stop loss should be below this one, this level. If it breaks out, all right. If it breaks out, you are going to get one long position. Let it break out from this level. All right. If it doesn't breaks out on the upper side, if it gets faked out again, the gold has a chances to fall. But this is expected, I guess, most probably for the gold. All right. So having a small stop loss in this zone, right? If it breaks out, then you might like to trace 1.39 percentage on bit gold, right, guys? Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in, all right, guys, so that you guys are not bashed off, right, guys? Make your research, break out after the retest. Might like to go for the long from this level, right? And okay, if it never break out from this level, it won't be fulfilled. Okay, let's see, guys. Anyways. This is on 15 minutes. If you are checking for the immediate one, okay, 5 minutes. Let's check it on 5 minutes. What's happening? All right. Mm-hmm. 1 minute. This is on 1 minute, right, guys? Let's check it out. Okay, it broke down and went for the retest. All right. Let the gold for the confident one, because you are expecting a reversal, so it needs to break out from this level. Then only we can expect a good reversal on upper side. Okay, for BT, for the gold, right? It needs to break out on upper side. Then only you might like to receive one better one, right? Because recent one from the lower side, it is bullish. Okay, from the small time frame, this is all bullish. It have broken out on upper side, it have broken out again. All right. Retest it. Okay, it is staying above this level only. All right, so if it happens to move above this one, that can be a good long position for you all. Maybe we can keep a small stop losses and try to plan this one. All right, guys. Okay. If it breaks out from this level and retest it, you'll get one long position for the shots. I think it is a little bit dangerous right now. Shots. So before that one, if it happens to come to this level, okay, you'll get a good long entry from this level only. All right, but if it directly moves up, then well and good, nothing much problem. All right, 1.4% there already. All right, for the gold. All right, nothing much to worry. Okay, guys. For BT, let's see if it comes down and closes below this one. This level is forming similar like this, guys. One liquidation left, but how far it can pump, I don't know. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. Okay, so you won't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? You'll get notifications. Okay, so we try to understand gold and BT, okay, together. So we try to understand. Okay, right now the setup is for the shots, okay, but the liquidation is left from the top. Okay, the setup is given for the shots, but liquidation is left from the top. Let's see. Okay. If it comes back in this zone, then I'm going to go for again one shot from below this position. Okay, one liquidation will be traced from the top, maybe till this level can be traced. 81,279. Nicely moving up. Nice reversal. Bitcoin is moving up and down. Recently happened, moving so aggressively. All right, down, move up, right. 0.7171 percentage, again moving up 0.56 percentage, which was best. Good. Bullish flag is formed. All right, it broke out from the bullish flag. Okay, might like to come down from this level or this level maybe, right? But if it happens to keep breaking out on the upper side, if it breaches on the upper side, then again Bitcoin will move very high, right? Let's see guys, anyways, what the Bitcoin is planning in this level right now. If it happens to come down, I will open short this level. All right, if it moves up, let's see what we can do it. Buy position, broke out, retest, liquidity swap. Let's see guys, have patience. Okay, we'll watch it together what will happen to BT. All right, just a second, I'll be back. All right. Nice one. Yes, luckily designer hub everyone. Welcome guys. Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone. All right. So nice bullish flag on upper side, aggressively pushing up. All right. So if it pushes like this, it might be very high. All right. That might like to drag all the upper side. Okay. So there was a bullish flag. Move, move, move. All right. Upper side. So higher highs. All right. Just the thing is, it have broken down from this levels for this, especially for this bullish flag. All right. Otherwise, that will be a perfect bulls on the upper side. Okay. One, one, two, three. Okay. Move up right now. Move up, 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 up. Okay. Let's move up. Move up, 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 up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice, 0.65. Lovely. Couldn't give a breakout. Okay, giving a small breakout towards downside. Okay, wait for the big liquidations upper side yet. If it doesn't breaks below this one, Bitcoin will give very big pump on upper side more. All right, guys. If it breaks, then again it will give a small pump only. Liquidation again it is breaking, which means price is converting towards the lower side, but the liquidity it will go up for the liquidity one. All right. Last liquidity left. Okay. Closing below, let it close. All right, on 1 minute time frame. Last liquidity grab left. Hey, hey, let's go. Luckily, 814. Here we come. Designer hub. Lovely. You are on long. You are on long. Lovely. Making dollars. Dollars. Nice. Nothing of financial advice. Okay, guys. Make your own research before you move in. Okay. I'm just helping you all out to just do the analysis over here. Okay. That's going to be a short position, guys. One last liquidity is left again on upper side. One last liquidity is left. I don't know if it goes for liquidity. This will be gone. All right, guys. This will be gone if it goes for liquidity. Last liquidity left on upper side. Quickly removing risky trade. Small SL 0.15. Big target. Okay. A risky trade. Small SL, big target, very risky trade. Okay, high risk, high reward. High risk, high reward, guys. Nothing financial advice. One, liquidity is left. We don't know it will go for the liquidity or not. If it goes for liquidity, very big liquidity can be taken on upper side. Okay, this can be high risk, high reward. All right. High risks, high reward. Longs I am not planning yet, okay, because anytime price will try to go for the long as well, but the thing is, if it gives me the string candle, then I will have no time to book my profits, so I just skipping the longs right now. All right. This level, check it. I'm out. Okay. Okay, just take care, guys. Okay, if you are planning for longs as well as shots, all right. Just be take care. All right. Just take care. Both longs and shorts. Try to manage your fund accordingly. Liquidity can be this one. If it goes higher, if the Bitcoin happens to go above $81,441, it might create a very big bulls on the upper side, guys. If it clears this one with a retest, all right. If it clears this one, all right, then it will give a very big bulls on the upper side. That's going to be 83,000 or more than that one as well. Just be careful. So liquidity in upper side can be previous one. Okay, previous one can be 82,000. I would go for the maximum 84,791. New bull cycles. If it clears this one, then new bull cycles will come in. I don't think it is 50-50 chances only. All right, if it goes for that one, 50-50 chances only. For now, market have recently given a small short position over here, quick one. That can be till over here or here. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay. High risks, so small stop loss, big targets. All right, small stop loss, big targets. Spider strategy for you all again. Guys, you got a dollar Zivot. Zivot, hey. Hi, Design Hub is here, Lukili is here. Kunal, hi. Long time back. How are you doing, Kunal? So far so good, Kunal. Kunal, how are you doing? Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Let it clear below this one. Kunals, long time back. Haven't seen you, just watching Zavod. Yeah, Zavod is here, learning every day. Lunak, what happened to your Lunak, Zavod? Lunak, LUNC. What happened to your Lunak, Zavod? Mhm. Not yet, waiting to be called for work, but don't know when. All right, I'm going good, busy these days. Kunal. All right, all right, all right, Kunal. If it clears this one, Bitcoin is to will happen to go like this. The bullet. Okay. Right now we are in this phase. Okay, and it will go zig, 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 like this. Okay. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Small stop loss 0.127 percentage. Okay, big big reward. Let's see if it bash. Just taking risks in this level, thinking of breakout from this level. All right. If it breaks up, then 1, 2, 3. All right. Very risky one. This one will be 0.3 percentage only. Small risk 0.12. Okay, and 3. One, two, three. Back to market, Kunal. All right. Good to know that, Kunal. All right. Good to know that you're working, Kunal. You're working, right? It's been a long time. I haven't seen you. I saw Zivat, Designer Hub. Luckily, is daily printing dollars now, Kunal. So good to see you back again. Okay, good to see you back. Quick SL, a little bit up. Small TP, small stop loss, big target. Let's see, guys. Okay, just taking advantage of this one. If it goes for liquidation again, it will bash our stop loss. Okay, let's see. Because if it happens to go for the liquidation, the thing is, if the market happens to go till this level, then market is hardly coming down. All right, hardly coming. Why? Because this will be forming a double top again from certain level. It needs to go up. All right, and liquidate this too. Right. So that will be upper level, upper level, upper level. So I'm planning for short market. If it happens to go there, then bulls will take over, guys. Bulls will take over. Okay, once it's a breakout again, when it comes down for the retest, then when it goes up, then it will be a continuous bull. Okay, so maybe a few days we need to hold for that moment, right? Small stop loss, big target. Okay, loss means loss, win means win. Okay, guys. Boom, boom. Where is it? Not coming. No, bro, I'm still waiting for exam result. Oh, you are studying, right? That will decide I'm getting a job or not. Okay, okay, brother. Now, all the best, huh? All the best. Nothing much to worry. Life is a lesson. You have to exams. You pass it exam. You do academically also. You try to do the side hustle also better, right? Everything is going to be fine, I guess, right? Kunal. It's not breaking out from this trend. Small breakout given, but couldn't break right now. If it goes for liquidation, liquidation is 0.34, 0.34 percentage, right? Small risks, big target. Risk 0.12 percentage. All right, 0.12 percentage risk, guys. Okay, and reward is how much? Firstly, this is 0.74. That is going to be 1 is to 6 already, right? 1 is to 6, and it goes down all the way, then it's going to be very big. All right, very risky, high reward, small stop loss. All right, only good news is I brought a PC now. I can see the market. Good to know that, Kunal. Congratulations. Now you learn better, right? If you have PCs, right? That's good, Kunal. Liquidity, boom. Broke out on upper side. Liquidity standing on upper side. Patience, patience. One, two. Excuse me. Nothing financial advice, huh, guys. Make your own research before you move in. Luckily, sorry for ask what pair is this. This is BTC USDT, brother. On Edika, Jonathan. Okay. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. Very small risks, high reward. Okay. So if it get bashed, then it will go for the liquidation upper side, which is going to make the Bitcoin again bullish for the short term. All right. If your stop loss is gone, then it will go this level, test it, and if it happens to pass above this level, then continuous bull can be coming on the upper side, guys. Bashing the stop loss. My stop loss is about to go, guys, making 0.12 percentage of losses. Small stop loss. 0.127 percentage, guys. Very tuk 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 tuk. Just playing around with this one. Let's see, guys, what it does. Okay, welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. Luckily, you are up to from drawdown. Last time you told you were. Luckily is back. I think she is making continuous box now. Right, Luckily? Luckily, you are good right now. Luckily is doing good, I guess. Luckily, Prince Dollars. This is Dollars. Major technology president. Stop loss coming in. Then target is this one. 81,391. If it moves on upper side, and maybe can, as designer hub have said, maybe 81,430 liquidity can be taken out. But if it happens to make this double top, it might throw the price for the short term, but it is going to give a big bull side. Okay, big liquidations on upper side if it happens to go over there. Well and good. If it is below this level, the market can go short for the long term. Okay, if it goes below from here, if it plants from this level, okay, market can come anytime to take out again this level and this level. All right, from the top. All right, so this is the last level for the shorts. Okay, if you want to go really down, all right, if the Bitcoin have to come down, okay, for the structural gap, if it creates this double top pattern, then again it will create for the liquidity one. All right, rather than coming down, it will directly go up again, press, which means bulls again, bulls again, bulls again, bulls again. It will continuously go up, 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 up. Maybe that can be the possibilities. Okay, so this is the risky trade that we have done. Small SL big dragon logic. Logic is over here. So if the market, what I'm saying is, if the market happens to go up and fall down, well and good if it continuously pass on the upper side. Okay, but the main thing is if it happens to give you all the double M patterns over here, all right, Mustang. So double pattern over here, then again the price will go for the liquidity, which means the price is pushing up and up. So this is the last level whereby the shots can be. So if the structure right now it's like this, then that can push the price towards downside, which means if it clears this one, go for the liquidation. If it gets rejection from here, then that will become double top. Okay, again a little bit of sideways, then it might like to go up again. All right. So this is the last level for me right now. What it have done is a smaller time frame, just broke down from this level. Okay, we are planning for that one only. Okay, so most probably it's going to hit my SL, small stop loss of 0.12, and it's going for the liquidations now. Okay, going for the liquidations. Small stop losses is about to go for me. All right. Small risks, high reward. Okay. It doesn't matter for me if it goes or not. All right. This is just 0.13%, is 1 2 percentage, 1 to 7 percentage for me. I planned short just because of small one hint over here. Okay, just broke down from this level again, broke down, right? So because of that one, I'm just shorting it at this level. Okay. Kunal told to order the book William or Neil up now. Kunal told you order the book for William. Book William? Book William? Okay. Book William. All right. What is it about? Is it about trading? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. One second, one move, my SL is gone. 0.127 percentage. Okay. This is the resistance we have. Maybe it will try to push up halfway. I don't know. Tuk, 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 tuk. Gone means gone, guys. What to do? Gone means gone. Okay, let's go home and sleep lah. If it's gone. So if it passed this one, which means this level of breakdown towards downside will be proven wrong, and the market will turn towards the in a short time frame on the bullish. Okay, so over here it have given a trend breakdown. Okay, which means on the bearish, right? So passing this one will give you another bullish move on the upper side. With that can be till this level, level, upper side, we never knows. Okay, this is the last hope for the shots. Drop for liquidation 77K. Yeah, it will drop, but let's see what the structure will be formed over here. I'm also thinking that way, but right now, if the structure, the behavior market have been changing from this level, okay, it have been changing. So if it goes on upper side and changes that forms another structure on the top, then that will be another story again. Okay, so this is taking time to clear this off, right? Let's see. One push, I will be gone. Risky trader. I think it's dropped liquidation. Hi, hi. Tron. All right. Book Willem or Neil. Okay, okay. I will buy it. Okay. Books to study. I need to study a lot now. I have to study, guys. Lots of books. Books gives us lots of knowledge, right, guys? Books. Books are there always to give us lots of knowledge. It will take some time in this level because if the Bitcoin moves above this one, it will take hard. It will take some time to drop down, which means bullish have to be there always. Push up. It will throw for the temporary bulls above this level. Maybe liquidation again, play around, right? And lots of things on upper side. Most probably it is moving up, but I don't know. Mhm. Very risky. I have been holding long time now. That's good. That's good, luckily. Making lots of dollars, luckily. Dollars. This is the last level for bears. Yes, correct, Lee. Correct. If it doesn't goes down from this level, Bitcoin have to go very, very high. So this is the last hope on Bitcoin. But temporary, it will just go up, and may play around and try to, I don't know. So this box is the last hope for the BT. Then it will make another highs. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Continuously bulls will rule it. Okay. Continuous rules of the bulls will be there. If it gives a liquidity swap, then I will be removed immediately. But I don't want to check. I don't want to hold on the liquidity swap. So better for me to get out of the trade, right? Just small move left, just to get me out of this trade, right, guys? Small trade left to remove me. Small moves. If you check, it's been on bull run for weeks. Yeah, it is. In the bigger time frame, it is above 4 hour above 4 hours. You'll see the bulls already breaking out on upper side, and even the retest it have never came back, and it is planning on upper side only on the above 4 hours. Last hope for the BT to come down. Very critical, very small stop loss. Broke down. Liquidity swap can swap me or not. There will be a small liquidity in this level. Yes, this is the one. Let's see if it swaps me or not. It is going to swap me. Come on. Swiping me. It is swiping me. Cannot do that one. BT. Highest level for the bears. This is the top, the bottom. What we say, the top level for the bears, I guess. Okay, top level for the bears. It's giving heart attack for me. Tuk, 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 like this. Guys, okay. Small stop losses we are having in these levels. The liquidity swap can remove me easily. All right. Fails means fails. Remove me earlier. Come on, BT. Remove me earlier. Yes, yes, darling. How can I help you? Liquidity swap. I don't want it. One more. But we never knows what the Bitcoin will do, right, guys? Can do anything, guys. Anything. Bitcoin can pump up and down without idea. All right. Maybe wars is affecting the Bitcoin moves as well at the same time. And Bitcoin is having advantage. Last move. Don't give a liquidity. Come on. Last hope for the liquidity. Come on. BT. Come on. I don't know, Lee. I don't know. It's just want to remove it and not. If there is a liquidity swap, that might remove me. But structurally, I think I placed at the right place. But if there is a liquidity move, small liquidity that can remove me quickly and swipe it down, that can be possible. But if the candle is formed on upper side, then tuk, 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 it will go on upper side. See how critical level we are at. But in fact, this is very small move, guys. I have a small stop loss that's 0.14 percentage only. How many pips? If you are counting the pips, 102, 102. All right, 102. Okay, finally removing me, guys. It removed me. Yeah, this liquidity swap. Come on, I don't like this one. Got removed, guys. Swapped it. It swapped it. It swapped me. So 0.12 percentage loss. Okay, gone. Gone means gone. 0.12. Liquidity swap left me. Come on. Okay, going for the higher now. That's how I keep my calculated stop loss over here only. If there is liquidity swap, then I will bear more losses. This can be till over here 0.08 extra or upper side as well. That's going for the bulls. This bear is trapped now. This breakout towards the downside from this level is trapped. Come on, BT. Let's see what the BT does. Trapped. Trapped, trapped, trapped. Go up. If this is liquidity swap in a bigger time frame, plan from these levels. Let it come down. Break below. Now it is going for the bulls. Bulls, 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 bulls. That can be more than this one also, guys. Okay, so that can trace you till 82,000 or 83,000 as well. above this level. So if you check this one, let me remove this one. Okay, small stop loss gone, guys. I'm out of the trade. Nothing financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right, it was a hard move. If it passed this one, Bitcoin is going $81,900. This level. So I marked this level carefully. If it breaks below above this one, Bitcoin will go $81,900, guys. Okay, small time frame. See if it breaks out or not. Let me delete this one. All right. Okay. One chance missed. BT, don't make double top. Come on. Don't make double top. For long ones, if it happens to come down, okay, if it happens to go for the proper long, if it comes down, retest it and goes up, that will be beautiful long, right? Going up, all right, retesting it, going up will be a beautiful long on upper side. Taking Hey, 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 hey. Because like someone have written, good morning. I can't hear you. Okay, now can how you use voucher 100 Abi? How you use voucher 100 USD voucher like trading fee vouchers? Maybe that can be. It's okay. Why no? Why you not planning for upside? Okay, this is the thing. This is the retest happening over here. If it is sometimes what happens is after the this gives a liquidity swap in this liquidity whenever there is a retest phase swap you down something like this, so it's always risky for me. As long as I'm very fast booking profit, I books only sometimes giving a 1% profit. I line up booking only 0.13 percentage or 1 2 percentage or small profits. Okay, so aggressive. So that's why I was looking for the shots. All right, but it didn't give us the short opportunity. Rather, it broke out from this level. This, so it had, if it was coming down, it should be getting reduction from here and should be coming down. Now it went for the bullish, right? Coming down to this level. If it breaks this one, it will be a totally bullish on upper side. But for bullish, what I'll do is, if it breaks out on upper side, wait for the retest, and if it confirms the retest, then only I will plan for the bull side. Okay, after this. All right. Make sure again, if when I plan my bullish, it shouldn't be coming below this trend. If it comes below this trend, then again it will play around. Okay, when I plan my bullish, I won't be making sure that it is not breaking breaking below the trend that it have. All right, this is the trend whereby it have to come down to this trend again. Right. Small risks taken, no rewards, guys. Small risks taken, no rewards. It's giving again short setup, guys. Setup is for the shorts only, guys. See, again it is breaking down, which is short setup, guys. This is short setup. This short setup. See over here, it broke down again, guys. If it passes this retest, if it does the retest and passes this one, this is going to be, if you plan over here only short, it will be a little bit risky. Okay, but you see, let it close this one. All right, it will give a small wink again over here, and again if it passes this one, this will be a again downside move. Just faked it out again. One move. Just faked it out for the shots. Couldn't close. Closes, but it just faked the shots over here. Shot got faked again. Okay, guys. Let's see. Let us 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 see. Liquidity, crap. So we are over here. What I'm short, why I'm planning short is for the double top. Okay, one top, again double top, one top. Okay, so that for the double top, we need to go down, right? If it never fall back below this one, this won't make any double top. Rather, it will be continuously on upper side. Okay, so for the upper side, what I'll do is I'll wait for the retest. That was a breakout on upper side. Those who are using this strategy, they got a right one over here. People over there, some people will be there whereby They break out. After breakout, they will wait for this edge and they enter over here and goes up. Target on the upper side. Next resistance. Okay. No plans yet. It breaks down. It breaks down. If it never breaks down, this won't be activated. Breakout 2, 3. Again, I will plan for if it breaks down, I'll plan my stop loss very small, 0.12 percentage only, 0.127, right? 127, 0.127. Yeah, that is close below. Three. That will break out of this trend as well. Let me delete this trend. Mark Abashu. Target will be here. Retest. Target over here. Continuously move. Bulls, very nice. Bulls are active right now. Very active. Bulls have been after it broke down on a 4 hours time frame. The bulls we have seen very active on upper side. Very active. After we broke down above this level, it got very active. Broke up from this level. This was the level whereby. So from here, bulls got very active. Broke out, came down for the retest. It went up, then bulls got active over here. Very active, very interested. Bulls are taking over on the upper side. Bulls, all bulls. What I'm saying is, so before it have done one retest, before it moves up all the way, maybe giving one retest will be confirming us very good side on the bull side, go all the way upper side. Okay, that can be one expected move, but not a financial advice. Okay, from where it is coming down, I also don't know. All right, I don't know from where it is coming down, but it should go once and test this level and move up once more. That is what I'm expecting, this level. All right. Then I shall go for a big bulls, and if it passes, then I will go for a big bulls and upper side, which is going to be very long if it passed the retest third time. All right. So over here, this is the pressure that the bulls are giving in this level. From this level, from because of this big green candles on the retest phase on the 4 hours time frame, it broke out because this resistance is not only the right now the recent resistance. This is the resistance from Sunday, 3rd February 2026. So it was giving a breakout. Okay, so we receive a very high pressures from the bulls in this level, very high pressures. So after it passes below, comes down, if it happens to move up, then I'll go for a big bulls, then only. Anytime price will come for the retest, so I'm not planning much on the bulls right now. After retest gets passed, then I'll go for a big, all long, long, long position only. Right. Retest phase, it never came down. Structural gap, the trend gap it is having. CMC gap, trend gap, whatever it calls, right? May not be coming totally down as well. Okay, guys, don't think that it will come. When I say it will come, don't think it will come. Okay, I may be wrong as well. All right, never knows. All right, guys. Nice bulls on upper side. Nice push on upper side yet. They're not over. Bulls are not over. Okay, for longs. That was a good retest. One retest given quickly. Let me delete this one, guys. Okay, so you guys don't get confused. Bears are the market is giving the position for the bears, but the retest phase is always failing it. Okay, retest phase is always failing it, which means when it returns, it will swipe everything at once, guys. If it returns, but if it doesn't returns, well and good. It happened breaking down, never came down. After retest, never came down, which means higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Very high. Break down. Retest never came back. SL to entry is gone. Was holding one position from 81,000 something else. I was holding one short position from this level all the way. No position yet, guys, for me. I am not planning any positions right now. All right. I wait, I wait, I wait, I wait, I wait, I wait, wait. Again, breaking down, again, breaking down. Let it close below. One move will be given on upper side yet. First TP, second TP, 30p. It is very risky, guys. Planning a reversal is very risky, but the thing is very high reward, but very risky. It's very risky. If you cannot plan on the right position, it gets very risky. Up, up. All right. One more pump left. Now let's go for the stop hunt and down. Yeah, it's liquidating. Yeah, it is just a liquidity. If you are happy, if you happen to again, I'll plan with the 0.17 if it closes below. If it closes below, stop loss becomes a little bit bigger this time. This is the level the market needs to go test before it goes down actually. Let's see. It's closing below. I'll plan a little bit downside, not exactly over there because of this liquidity. Let it go up. 81,445 broke down. I get ready. Liquidity is over. Get ready on my plans. Okay. Go up, shut it down. Nothing financial advice, guys. They manage your own risks, okay, accordingly, so that you guys are not dashed off, guys. Excuse me. Never came down. Liquidity till this level. Why is it not swiping it? Is it not swiping it, guys? Or swipe. Ooh. We have been tracing Bitcoin and shorts from these levels, right? 0.32% on upper side. Fails to come on the third always. Breaks down. First time it will come. Third time it always fails. If it comes, it is going to give a bash down. Bitcoin should never come back. So I'm aggressively looking for the shots when it is going to come. I don't know. First breakdown, second done, third never come back. This is the Bitcoin needs to break it down. I'm trying to catch hi Sanjay, hello. I'm from Vietnam, the Tehran. Hi brother, welcome brother, welcome. The third time it comes. We are trying to catch the top, the aggressive top. Otherwise, I would have waited for my shots in this level and come down, right? This would be a confident and confident trades on the downside. It falls back. I just wait for the price to come down and just plan short from this level and go down. But I was just planning while we can trace the middle part as well. All right. It becomes risky. So many stop losses will be gone. But it recovers within one trade. 81,580 dollars. It jumps out from this level, the Bitcoin. I don't see bear move for Bitcoin, only bull move. Bull move. Bull moves, guys. Bull moves, bull moves, bull moves. La 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 la. Sometimes it never comes back, guys. Oh my god, this BD. If it clears off, that is a bull move again. Long move. If it just gets past, that means again target this one 0.12%. Along with liquidity if it moves up. Moves up, that's a long. If it moves down, that will be short. So it will have different targets. Okay, different targets. Right now, I'm not longing it at all, guys. All. $81,413. Ơi. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके चोरी चोरी Mm-hmm. 15 minutes. All green candles, guys. All green candles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11 green candles. Only two red candles. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Crazy. People are getting pressured. Everyone is buying Bitcoin right now. Except government. Hello. अँ म जान्दिनँ होला हौ। अँ, if it drags out, one long position for you all again. Upper side, 0.12 percentage. I'm not taking that one. That's individual. I work next class. 나 is after. 그럼 저거 주종 나인데 지금. 주종에 돼. That's lovely, guys. Lovely. Superb, 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 superb liquidity taken. Superb, guys. Superb on upper side. Superb on upper side, guys. That was superb. Superb. What a big candles. Lovely, guys. Those who are on long, superb, guys. You guys are doing good, guys. I'm not on long. I'm just letting go. Letting it to go. Superb, guys. Superb, superb. This is super, guys. Super, super duper, super. Super, guys. Super, super. For longs, it is super, super. Bears getting trapped. Boom. Yes, yes. I think it's bullish move because mostly consolidate 7,000. Yeah, no plans for yet. Now my plans got breached. I think over here it keeps, if it keeps holding above side, then it's going to go for a big longs on upper side, guys. Very super up on upper side. That is super super. Super super guys, super super. All bullish. Again bullish bullish bullish. Now cannot guys. I cannot plan any shots in this level. Now it is getting good volatility on the upper side. If it comes below this one, only the shot will get activated. Otherwise, no, 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 no. Bitcoin is now. If it pass this one, Bitcoin is moving forever for the bullish, guys, guys, guys. Let me check on bigger time frame, 4 hours time frame. Have clear, not clear a little bit. Let it come out. So what I'm saying is, guys, if it happens to, if the Bitcoin happens to break above now, it is breaking above now. If it happens to remain above this one, this level, this trend, coming back to this trend will give you all new bulls. All right, new phase. This is the level. It needs to pass above, getting back, right? Bitcoin was broken down from the trend. Okay, Bitcoin was broken down from the trend. Now getting back to the trend, it will give a very big moves on the upper side, guys. This move 84,000 or 88,000 now next is coming, I guess. Okay, but make sure the Bitcoin is getting above this trend, right? Getting above this trend and trying to push the market upper side. Okay, so that it should be something like that. It should be getting above this trend and remain above this trend. Then this is coming, guys. This level is coming on upper side. Okay, this is crazy crazy move on Bitcoin coming back. Bitcoin is coming back after a long term, almost 1 year, guys. Back. That was the price when it was January 26th, Saturday it happened. From Saturday, January 2026, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, June, May, right now. January, February, March, April, May. 5 months. After 5 months, it's getting back to this price, guys. It happens to remain above within this one. Then new phase for the Bitcoin, new cycle is coming for the Bitcoin to go for the bullish, guys. Okay. Now Bitcoin have to clear this one, that is $84,228. Okay, guys. So I'll be looking long position only between this phases, guys. This phases all long position will come. 7.91%. Small scalping I'll be taking in this level. Not over here. Right now also I'm not in a long position. I was looking for the long position within this trend. When I was within this trend, I was looking for long position. As soon as it got broke down on the downside, then I stopped looking for the long positions. Okay, so that was the last move that I have taken on a long position. This was the one. Let it get inside the trend, guys. Those who are long holders, well and good, guys. Those who are holding from a long time, that is 8 percentage. Lovely, guys. 1 year, 1 month's, 1 month's payment for you all. 1 month payment for you all within April 29th to May 26th. 1 month, right? Exactly 1 month maximum. 82,200. Maybe. Let it remain above this trend. Let's see if it remains or not. If it doesn't remain, then it's problem again. If it remains up for the bulls, it is up. Super guys. This is super trend. Higher, high, low, high, low. So from here, if it was getting a rejection, it will be a bears, right? But it never got a rejection from here. Coming down below this one only, we can plan for a good bears, confident bears. If it comes down, still the bears will be there. Okay. But if it doesn't come down, all the bulls will take over from here. Now, getting in the trend. You see it is getting in the trend exactly or not? I happen to check over here. Getting in the trend or not. Those who have missed the positions, all right, long position, you'll get the opportunity. Don't worry. All right. Bulls, real bulls. Let's see if it gets in the trend, then we'll start going for the longs. All right. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute not closing above the trend, guys. Why is it? Let's close the halfway. Closing above the trend. Stop the trend. Super, guys. Super. Good bully move. It is crazy, guys. Crazy happening. Crazy happening, guys. Crazy. All retest done. All retest done. All right. It's not closing above 1 minute. It happened close above. Crazy. Crazy. Why is it giving a bear move again? It's down, bear set up again. 1, 2, not yet. Observe, this is the trend we have, guys. This is the trend we have. All right, the red one. Not let me mark with the blue one, right? This is the trend. Observe whether it happens to remain above this one. If it remains, then that will be a very, very good moves in coming days on the upper side, guys. 1 minute. Closing above. One was a wink. Okay. Above. Two. Bulls are getting in, guys. Bulls, bulls, bulls. Lucky for the lucky. Good for the those who are those who have planned long. Don't get trapped over here. So that's all, guys. Okay, for today. So that was a big move. One stop loss, small 0.12% is done. All right. So if the Bitcoin happens to remain above this level, that can be a very good move on the Bitcoin all the way towards the upper side. Okay. But if it happens to again come down and fail below this one, this becomes now a level. It needs to at least remain above $81,299 for the Bitcoin. Okay. And good moves on the Bitcoin is coming on upper side, guys. Then that's going to be crazy weeks. Okay, let's see next week. Okay, so what will happen? All right, exactly, because this is the retest phase the Bitcoin was having. All right, not a grail move on a Bitcoin, guys. Okay, still over here, this is the retest phase. If it happens to pass through on upper side, then that is going to be a very good move on the bulls. Okay. 15 minutes shows still high. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we haven't taken any trade. One trade taken. That is small one. That's done. All right. So we will get those who have missed this big moves on the upper side. Don't get like frustrated. All right, guys. The opportunities will be always there. All right. Those who have made profit. Okay. Okay, guys. Well and good. Okay. Don't do over trading. All right. Book profits. Okay, keep booking some profits so that you guys don't miss miss the profit again. Don't regret it later. All right. That's the thing, guys. All right. Have a good time, guys. Bye bye. See you all. Maximum 82,000 spider strategy is too much. Yeah. I'm holding sketch waves. All right. Good one. Wait for exit bullish. All right. In bullish move mostly consolidated. All right, guys. Okay. Have fun. Try go long. No, I'm not going long. I'm not going long. When I'll go long, okay, plans for me on a long going long right now will be now getting back to this trend. Now market Bitcoin is getting back to that trend, the previous trend that we have. All right. If it closes below above this one later on, all right, maybe at least 4 hours time frames candle closes below above this one. All right, getting inside this bullish uptrend that we have, which means the breakout towards the downside will be proved wrong, right? Proved wrong. This will be proved wrong, which means I've been showing you all, okay, from the previous also. If it proves wrong, if it happens to remain above this one, and 4 hours time frames candle remains above this one, then I will start planning for the bulls, small moves on the upper side. Okay, then only I will plan for my bulls. Because if you have checked on the previous 1 day time frames candle, okay, I have been showing you all right, so I have been showing you all, if this retest fails, that is going to be a signal for the bulls. All right, signal for the bulls, which means over here also you try to check this trend, okay, and it got back to the trend that we have previously. Okay, firstly we have this trend, right? We have this trend, it broke down, okay, it broke down, and later on the retest phase, it never came down, came up, came down, right? Never came down like this, okay? So it never came down out from this retest phase, which means getting back into the previous trend is can be a big bulls coming in, but it should remain above this one. At least 1 day time frame or 4 hours time frame candles, okay? It formed should be remaining inside the trend. All right, then only big bulls will be coming in. Then it is like bash going up. Big bulls will come. All right, guys. So accordingly, we will plan for the bulls then. Okay. Then the bear phase will be over from the here. This will make sure that if it closes up, it will make sure that this level getting inside the trend, it will make sure that the bear phase is over. Then we are getting back to the bull phase. Okay, will be bull. So maybe from here as well, right now. Okay, so we have a similar pattern over here, right? If it happens to get inside this previous trend, then it will be bull. It might go trace all the way upper side as well. All right. So for now, one is to close this candle, daily candle or 4 hours time frame candle is also okay. It needs to close above this trend, the previous trend that we have, that is around this one, right? This one closes above and close in this trend, then we will keep planning for the bulls. As long as it is not closing upper side, I cannot plan for the bulls. All right, because this is on the retest phase. Then I can continuously move up for the bulls. All right. Okay. So that's what I'm planning. Okay, guys. Have a good time, guys. All right. I might like to plan short also. Never mind. All right. But for the shots, it needs to come below this levels, guys. For the shots, if you are planning shots, you need to come below this one. Then only you can. It will be safe for you all to plan for the shots. And if it doesn't remain above, if it goes below this one, then firstly $79,800, maybe that can be all the way to $78,200 as well. All right, but for now, it can close upper side as well as it can drop all the way towards downside as well. All right, right now the Bitcoin is at the critical base. Have a good time, guys. So it's rising. I will plan for my bulls once we get inside the trend and break out small trend, tracing the trend and getting a new trend on upper side trend. We are getting inside the box, the trend box, then my bulls will come and I will take long positions. All right.